So I'm going out today to meet a model for a collaboration shoot. So we're gonna do some photo shoot, some dance videos, and as well we're gonna do some bureaus as well. Yeah, so the concept for today is actually to use a basketball court, but unfortunately I couldn't find a basketball. Yeah, I tried to order it online, but it doesn't arrive. So we're just gonna I'll probably do another moves today, create another concept just to make sure everything works the way we want. So I'm actually just walking to the park now, expecting the model to meet me soon. In this shoot today, I'll be using Sony camera, Sony A7iii with Sigma 24-70 f2.8 lens, and also my light setup is just one light, and that will be Godox Edit 300 Pro with a small box as well. I'm gonna have a description link in the description, so you can actually check these equipment out. So we are using a basketball court, trying to set up everything now. You can see the soft box there. The soft box is also from Godox. The light stand I'm using is from Newer. It's a heavy duty light stand because you want to get a good light stand so it doesn't fall off when you are shooting. You can see here I'm just attaching the remote control, Godox remote control, to the camera so we can start shooting. Yeah, so on this first run, I'm just trying to test the camera and lighting to make sure everything is fine. So I told my model to stand in front of the light so I can see how the setting looks. My model today is a very young, aspiring model, full of life. She's very fun working with. You can see there to the left is our dad, in the shoot as well with us, looking at how everything is gonna go. Like I said earlier, the plan for this shoot was a high school basketball vibe, but unfortunately I couldn't get a basketball. So yeah, we still have to do the shoot to make sure things work well. And yeah, it's quite freezing, but there's no strong wind, so the light stand is actually very good without this sandbag attached to it. Yeah, so now the light is good and the setting, I'm fine with it. So now it's just I'm just telling the model to give me different poses. As you can see people in the background there, I wouldn't want them to show. So I use the minimum aperture, which is f2.8, so I can get some blurry background. So in order for me to get some shallow depth of field, I use f2.8. so that I can isolate the background from the model, yeah, because I wouldn't want anyone to come in the background because of distraction. So I use the BRS minimum of the aperture and make sure everything works well. So yeah, I love the pose which the model is actually giving me. So I borrowed one of the football from the guys in the park. So now we're gonna pose with that, see what we get from the image. This shoot is actually very interesting because it's just a one-man show. I'm the one controlling everything. Probably, if I want to do another shoot next time, I'll probably bring an assistant to help me with the light, so I can focus on getting the best image possible. And my BTS camera is GoPro Hero 10. I wish I bought sometimes last year, and yeah, it's actually good for the BTS because you can just place it in one place and you can start using it. So take the ball. My model is actually very good in posing. She knows how to pose very well. This is what I like to tell all the models out there. If you're aspiring a professional model, I believe professional model already know how to pose, but aspiring model, learn different type of poses. Yeah, because sometimes your photographer might not know all the poses or all the moves, so you need to learn that. Yeah, know how to pose very well for pictures. That will enhance the photographer to get more creative while on the shoot. Here, I was telling my model to lean on the net, yeah, so I can get some cool image from there. Mostly my light is set on half power, yeah, because I wouldn't want to use the full power because the light Godos 8300 Pro is actually a very good light, and you can use it to control the environment and also to overpower the sun. So I'm not using the full power here, I'm just using the half power because today is actually not sunny, it's not very lit, so half power is very okay for me. I wanted to do some shoots on the floor, but yeah, the floor is very dirty and it's also cold. So yeah, from here we'll be going to another location in the same park, yeah, to get some other views and other shoots that we can actually do. So now we are heading to the playground. shoot without disturbing anyone or anyone disturbing us. So we're gonna use the rug and as well use the chair over there to do our shoot. If you are enjoying this BTS and also the pictures, ensure to subscribe to this channel. That will help me in giving you more content like this, and ensure to give a thumbs up and also comment below which type of picture would you like to see, or which type of poses can I use to improve the quality of the pictures as well. If you have any suggestion, can they put in the comment section to let me know what you think about this BTS and also the outcome of the shoot. So here I want to use the rail to do some poses, but unfortunately there's a large cobweb there, so I couldn't use the area. If you are a model and you live in London, if you would like to collaborate with me, kindly send me an email or message me. As well, if you are from outside the UK or anywhere around the world, you can actually contact me if you want us to do a shoot together, or if you want to hire me. I'm available to travel all over the world. Yeah, to the camera, do you want to say anything? Do you enjoy your session?
Yeah, I did. It was very fun.
And looking forward to the pictures?
Yeah, hope they turn out really good.
Yeah, alright,
Thank
cool.
you.
Alright, thank you. Okay, so the session was a quick one because it's freaking cold out here, so just quickly did it, but it was a nice session with the young aspiring model. So if you enjoyed the video and if you enjoyed the session, the BTS, kindly subscribe to the channel